So today we are going to start Python Django from the beginning. Okay, uh, let's make a root directory, and first of all, um, go to the command prompt by pressing Window and R key at the same time. You will get the run dialog box where uh, you are to write only C and D, right? So this is the command prompt. Now click on OK button. You will be redirect on this panel. This is your command prompt. And first of all, create a root directory. I'll create this directory into my local drive D. There's no even a single folder. So I'm just creating the very first root directory. Um, First of all, go inside this drive by entering the name of that drive. Just write D and colon, and now hit the enter key, and you will be entered in this local drive D. And now create a root directory mkdir d Django project. Right, this is called a root directory d Django project. Now uh, hit the enter key, and now you'll see an empty directory has been created, right? So now what you have to do, just go inside this directory by typing that command cd and d Django project, right? Now press enter key, and you will be entered in this directory. And here, um, first of all, you need to install the virtual environment by typing pip install virtual env. This is the short command, right? So make sure the spelling of virtual environment should be correct. virtualenv. This is the short command. Now type it, and make sure you are connected with the internet connection, and hit the enter key after typing this, and you will get installed virtual environment in your local machine. And I have already installed this environment in my local machine. Now we need to create virtual environment first by typing a short command, which is virtual env, and give the virtual environment name. This will be your environment name, env. This means virtual environment, nothing else, right? You can give any other name of your virtual environment. Now press the enter key, and the virtual environment will be created in this folder. And now after this, you need to activate this environment by writing this short command, that is venv backward slash, and type script, scripts, script. Make sure this word will start from a capital letter. The S will be capital of this word, right? And backward slash, and now type activate. After this, hit the enter key, and now virtual environment has been activated. In this environment, we need to install Django pip install Django. After typing this command, uh, the Django has been uh, the Django will be installed in this environment. See this, it's installing. It will take few few seconds to install this. Right, just read it and look at this. It's installing, and after this, you will get a message that is the Django installed successfully, right? So see this, successfully installed, right? So Django successfully installed. Now uh, you can see this. This is your root directory, and this is virtual environment. And inside this folder, we have created a Django, right? So now create a project. Um, just type uh, Python, no, sorry, Django admin start project. This is shortcut command. This is short command to create a project in this environment, right? So after this, give the name of your project. What name of your project you want to keep, right? So I'm giving my project name Walnut Evolve. This is my project name, right? And after this, press the enter key, and a project will be created inside it. See this. Uh, See this. This is a root directory, and this is a virtual environment which we have created. And with this environment, we have created our project that is virtual environment, right? This is our project name. Inside this project, we will create an application, right? So go into this project by writing this command cd walnut evolve, right? So after this, press enter key, and you will be entered in this project. And here you need to create uh, an application, right? Inside this folder, inside this project, right? Project will be a single, right? And application can be multiple, right? So that's why we are creating an application inside it, right? So you can create multiple applications inside this, inside one project, that is Walnut Evolve, right? So I'm creating an application Python uh, manage.py start app, and give the name of your app, that is Walnut. This is my application name, and now press the enter key, and up, an application will be created by Walnut, right? So after this, you need to register this application in this uh, in this folder. You will see a file, Python file, that is setting.py. Just open this file into an IDE of Python, and inside this installed app, right? This is basically we are creating a list, right? And give this list, add your application name here. What is your application name? Walnut. This is our application name, and put the comma after this application name, right? So this is the way how to register your application after creating an application inside your project, and go outside this folder and create a template root directory, right? So template directory, templates, right? And inside this folder or this directory, we need to create a template. Template can be anything, like our HTML page or image, sound, audio, video, right? So it can be anything, right? And I am creating just a simple HTML page. I am copying code from the source of, see this. mm, this is a short code, right? I'm just copying it and uh, taking an MP file, just type notepad and will be opened an editor, and now paste copied code here and save it with any name inside template folder. Remember that we have to uh, save this code inside the template directory. Just give the name. I'm giving uh, login, right? This this is a code for login the page, right? And I'm just creating some fields to take inputs from the user, like username and password, and there will be a button which the user will be clicked on that button, and that information will be redirect or will be sent to the server, and it will be requested, right? So now click on save button. Now this code has been saved, and see this. Now change the title of this form. Let us log in form. Uh, all this codes about to log in module, right? And now change the field name, that is user name, and this is what password, and give the name of this input text box like uname. Uname is nothing, just a username, and pwd the password, and this three field is not required. Now there is a button that is submit, right? Now save it and close that application, and now register this template inside the same folder, but same folder, which is quality wall. It is setting.py file. Now open this file into an IDE, right, and go into the template list, right? This is a dictionary, and this is a key, DIRS. This is a key, and pass the value as your template name. What is your template name? Templates. Our template name is template. And now this is value of that key. And now save this uh, code. Now close that command. Sorry, close this file. And now the next step is what? Create a view which you will find inside your application, that is Walnut. This is a view, and open this file and ideally, and you will see that what statement is it? Create your views here. Now I'm just copying a view uh, from that file. A view is nothing, just taking some information and send to the database, right? So this is a view, and copy this code and delete this lines of code and paste copied code here, and you will see that. And now change the function name, just log in, right? And request dot method post dictionary request dot post, and now change the CSV file name login dot CSV, right? And you can delete that line of code here, right? And after this, what is your HTML page name? Just log in. This is your page name. And after this, register this view. Go outside this folder, and inside the walnut evolve, you will see a file name, that is URL. Just open that file in an IDLE, and right, and type from from what application is this? Walnut. From walnut, import views, right? This is your views. Now go inside this folder here, that file which is needed to import the URL, and now come outside this folder and go inside this folder, and give the path here, which um, which page the information will be, or you will be redirect on, right? So now give the page here. What is it? uh, Login, right? This is your page, and now after this, views dot login, right? Okay, so go here and run that project by typing python manage.py run server. Okay, your project will be run, and you will get that address, starting development server at http, and copy this address here and paste it on any browser, right? Just open the Chrome, or you can take any other browser like Firefox, um, Opera, and whatever you want to use it, right? Internet Explorer, you can count that one also, right? Now paste it here and just this is your address and type your name of your page, that is login. Right after this, press enter key. So you will be redirected on your page and there is some error. So what is error here? Okay, what is error here? Okay, um, did not match any of these. Okay, so what reason behind it? Login detail. Just change the name of the function, that is login details, from views login detail, and this is the login page. And now see this. Okay, what happened? Template does not exist. Okay, template does not exist. Why it says template? And I'll just check it. Is it registered or not? Templates, templates. Okay, in this templates. This login module. Now open this. Sorry, login .html, not py, right? So we have saved this file in the wrong extension. Save as login .html. Now it is saved, and after this, this is our page, login page. So now open or type any name. Suppose I am typing here John and password 12345. This is password, and now click on submit button. It will send, right? So now close that page and see this. All the responses has been saved in this folder, in this file. See this username John, password 123, and what was the type? That is submit, right? So it has been saved. This is about what we actually created. This is the first program in Django, right? In the next lecture, we will discuss the next program, right? So now you can create any other template. Suppose registration template. Now copy this and now change the name of that
Okay.
file. Okay, and edit in any editor, right? And change the
Mm,
name of that. Suppose login. What? Uh, suppose registration form, right? And now first name, last name, country. So now copy this line of code and paste it here. Now change the name of that text box. Suppose country CONTRY, just short name, right? This is your second template, and now uh, after this, uh, go here and copy this path and paste it here. And now what is your template name? This is register, right? See this, the name of your page should be in small letters. So this is register. register, register, and views dot now create view view. For creating view, you need to uh, go inside view file, which is here, one which is inside your application. See this, and open this file into an IDE and copy this line of code, right? And paste it here and change the name of that function, that is register, right? Post, and the the file name can be same, right? And this is what this is register, right? And now run this program. Copy this code or address and paste it in the URL. And if you give the first template name, that is login, this page will be redirected. And if you give any other template name, okay, so that okay, what happened, what is the reason behind it? Views, and register, and go to the URL, wallet, all from views dot register. Change the name of your function here. Now after this, run same program. See this. Now see this. Now click on submit button. All the information will be stored in the same file, that is login, right? So all the previous information has been dropped from here, because we have opened this, or we are writing that file through write mode. What uh, this mode actually works? This mode, write your new content on that file and drop the previous content from the file, right? Or truncate uh, the previous output, right? And if you want to write or append your uh, information or content, so use or open this file in append mode. Use A instead of W. This is append mode. Use W. If you are using W, that means all the previous content will be dropped from the file. Or if you are using A, so without losing the previous data, you can append your new content in the file, right? So if I say that A and call the same page, right? And now given, okay, information. So this is what permission denied. Okay, so close that file first. And now see this. Click on the file and open it with this. The next content has been saved in the file without losing previous one, right? Then that way we can create our uh, web page by Django, right? In the next session, we will discuss some more operation of in Django, right? So we will make some uh, pages in the Django, right? So till that, goodbye. Take care. Thank you very much. Okay, bye.